Hello, welcome to Ridgeview Homes. I'm Vinnie Robinson, the Registered Manager. Why don't you come in and have a look around? This is where every visitor needs to sign in for the usual purposes like GDPR, fire, safety and so on. We start with the heart of the home, our Georgian style kitchen, which offers unrivalled views of the local area, as well as catering for our service users' culinary adventures with all the latest mod cons in a safe and regulated environment. Each of our service users will have their own allocated cabinet to keep their personal groceries. There are lots of prompts around the kitchen to guide everyone toward nutritious, healthy eating. And we also have a herb garden outside, which I'll show you later. On the same floor is our beautiful diner with the large wooden dining table adding a touch of traditional luxury. It offers a comfortable eating experience and enables service users to interact with each other. Behind the large double doors, we have our lounge area. Now this is where our service users can relax, wind down, watch TV, maybe read a book while also staying in a social environment. Going up to the first floor, you'll see that the rooms are named after birds. Robin is one of our double bedrooms. The room itself offers a contemporary look which can be easily dressed according to the service user's style and need. The majority of our bedrooms have a spacious ensuite bathroom and are similar in size and layout. Going up to the top floor, we're in our Quirky attic room where a person can escape into a little sanctuary. This room offers a large bath for ultimate relaxation. As with any other area in the house, this room can be personalised and has an excellent Wi-Fi connection. We're very fortunate to have a gorgeous outside space. As our first stop, here's our herb garden that I was talking about earlier, which service users have unlimited access to, enabling and encouraging them to use fresh herbs throughout their cooking. We also have our large flower beds where residents can nurture their own flowers and plants. And this little area gives private space to anyone who would like to relax under the sun. And, away from the sun, our pergola gives space for our residents to socialise and unwind in the fresh air. Moving towards the back, our arbour is nestled in an established area of the garden and surrounded by mature plants and trees. And last but not least, let me show you the West Wycombe House activity room. It's purposefully designed for residents to participate in a wide range of projects that will help with independent living and personal growth. So that concludes our tour of West Wycombe House. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you again soon.